Hi everyone, welcome back to Civil the Will, and in this video I am going to explain you how to export the sketch from Bhumiti to AutoCAD. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So before that, let's open the Bhumiti software so we can export the files or the sketch which we have drawn in Bhumiti to AutoCAD. So today I am going to show how we can export the sketch which is plotted in the Bhumiti to AutoCAD. So here I am going to browse a database which I have created previously. So go to browse option. So by clicking this we can browse the previous files. So here I have created one sketch with name of Ramo. So click on open and click on connect and give the username as admin caps and password as small letters admin. Click on OK. So zoom all. So this is the sketch which I have plotted previously. Export this sketch from Bhumiti to AutoCAD. So how can we export this sketch? So here you can see the file option. So click on that file and here you can see one option that is save as DXF file. So click on that save as DXF file and I am saving this file in documents. So give the name as export CAD and save here, and your map exported as DXF file successfully. So click on OK and minimize this Bhumiti software and let's open the DXF file. So go to the documents. In documents I have saved that file. So here that is the export CAD file. Double click on it. It automatically opens in AutoCAD. So it is a simple step to convert the Bhumiti sketch to AutoCAD. So click on X. So but here the sketch is not visible. So for that you need to zoom it. So for that click on Z command and click on enter. So again click on A and click on enter. So by this we can get the sketch here. So this is how we can export the Bhumiti sketch to AutoCAD. So you can save it as a DWG. So by click on application button here, save as, and give some name as similar export CAD, but it is DWG file. So click on save. So we can save this file as DWG from DXF. So this is how we can export the sketch from Bhumiti to AutoCAD. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share to your friends and click on the bell icon to get the latest notification. So thanks for watching. Love you all. Jai Hind.